this series, we are going to talk about Azure Function Apps. Function App on Azure is one of the services which helps you to execute serverless functions, and it also comes with some hosting plans where we need to spin up the app services plans. We are going to talk about these plans later. But to give you a basic understanding, you can write any types of code such as .NET, Python, etc. in the function apps, where you can define a lot of function codes within one function app, and you can also integrate the functions written in the function app with your front end interface, and these functions will act as APIs for your front end application. Which means if you have a database, you have a front end application, and if you want to connect both of these through APIs, function app can be one of the services where you can write all the logics that need to be communicated between the front end and the back end applications. I hope this has given you a basic idea about Azure Function Apps. If you have also worked on AWS Lambda, it is the counterpart on Azure.